In this video, I'm going to show how an IQA, internal verifier, is presented with evidence or an assessment decision that they need to verify. So as shown in another video, the sample engine center configuration tool works out what needs to be verified and presents it to the relevant IQA. So I'm going to show you that in action. Enter your username and password, and it presents you with the tasks there. So this section here, as I've said in other videos, shows you 3 tasks you have outstanding. Any others, if you've got more than that, will be shown up in actions, and it will actually have in the number, red circle there, how many you have. But this one, I'm just going to click view, and it's taken me straight through to this piece of evidence and this assessment decision. So on the right hand side is the information there, or what it relates to. There's the evidence, which I can click on and open it. It's telling me it's a recording. And here is where I go into the relevant units. So I can just go in here. I could have the evidence playing. I can look at the assessment decisions that have been made if I agree with them. And once I've done that, I can go to the next unit, do the same. And if I agree with decisions, please do not use the verify and back button there. You just go back to the top where you were and select summary, and that takes you to the front page as such of this assessment. So once I've gone through as an IQA and I'm satisfied with the decisions made by the assessor, this is where I give my feedback. So I'd write in there your feedback and click verify. Then just click OK, and it takes me to the folder. So if I wanted to actually go and check some other evidence as well while I'm in here, I can actually go in there and do the same again. So I can repeat the process here, select a relevant unit, see if I agree with the decisions. Let's say don't click verify or back there, you just go to the top, click summary, and you give any feedback there. Click verify, click OK, and that's done there. Thank you.